As a group of high school students who collectively face the adverse consequences of homework, we became interested in learning the scope of these effects across the United States education system as a whole. We began to research the broad topic of homework and found many authoritative sources verifying our grievances, which begged the question of what the measurable benefits of homework on students are, and what possible alternatives for improvements could be considered. Students get way more work than they can handle, leaving them no time for extracurricular activities or a social life, which in turn cause increased levels of stress and health issues. There are a number of misconceptions circulating amongst educators about homework and what it actually does for students. Teachers feel the need to assign homework every night because they believe it is beneficial. However, most work turns into busy work, causing students to miss crucial information. In addition, uniform projects have been criticized for being ineffective in enhancing students' learning. In an attempt to fix the unsuccessful aspects of homework, numerous schools have tried flipped classrooms, an example being Algebra 2 at NDCO. It was created by the idea of inquiry-based learning, where students ask the teachers questions in order to learn the topic. A common misunderstanding of homework is that the higher the amount of work, the more knowledge there is gained. However, the extreme workload sent home with students each night has been proven unnecessary by researchers. Kids and young adults are given such a high amount of work to complete that the result is not beneficial and the students do not retain the information. As a repercussion of assigning too much homework, students experience elevated levels of stress. Too much stress may even be the cause of students slacking off in school and not being as interested in learning the materials presented to them. Research has also proven that stress is among some of the leading causes of physical and mental deterioration among students. One particular study showed that 8% of teenagers meet the criteria for an anxiety disorder. In order to progressively fix the problems of homework, numerous actions must occur. To begin, a common rule adopted by school is the 10-minute rule. It states that 10 minutes of homework per grade level should be assigned, so second graders do 20 minutes of work, and so on. In addition, a digital calendar can be utilized. By each teacher posting what they have assigned for homework, then the other teachers who instruct a majority of students who are in these classes can wait to assign the homework for another day. Also, teachers sometimes assign unsubstantial busy work. To avoid this, they can create more creative lesson plans that allow students to retain more knowledge because they are engaged in the activities. If students acquire more knowledge during class, then they will not need additional homework to help their understanding of the lesson. Finally, homework should not be assigned if students are required to complete their unfinished work from class. Teachers must be aware of the time it will take students to complete the classwork to know whether or not homework should be assigned or if they must finish their incomplete classwork.